The origin of functions is mystical. Few know that functions were once monsters. Fewer understand what was just said, but as our story unfolds, all will be clear. Mega millennia ago in a universe far removed, monsters lived doing nasty things. Really nasty things. They were infamous also for their terrible breath. One day, Magna the Supreme, the all-powerful, all-knowing dragon of the multiverse, sensed the monsters' anguish when they collectively realized they were not having fulfilled lives. Nastiness only went so far and didn't create a life of any worth. Magda felt the monster's pain and knew what to do. It involved Numberobians who lived 7 dimensions away. They lived good lives but never experienced having a friend. They knew not what they were missing. How could they? So Magna brought the two worlds together. She bid the monsters to enter the pods and transported them to the Numberobian world. En route, the monsters were told that they were going to be friendship makers. Each monster was embedded with a way to provide a worthy Numberobian with one unique friend. So when the pods landed, the monsters set up shop to create friendships. 3 was one of the first to befriend a fellow Numberobian, namely 5, thanks to the monster named Eek, last named Vayton. Our story continues, emphasizing the rewarding life the monsters now had, granting a worthy Numberobian with exactly one friend. Also, a variety of ways was shown revealing how the monsters function to provide a friend. And this is where the story would have ended, if it wasn't for the evil actions of Dr. Pi, who rationally hated the Numberobians. Inventing a weapon of the Ishes, he invented a war that wreaked havoc, and even the superhero of the planet, the Mighty One, could not handle it. But the power of one of the monsters, Kull, proved victorious. Sir Kull, he was also a knight. Using the embedded power of the circle, he brought one as a special friend, and it was Pi. So the war ended with 2 enemies hugging in real elation. All was really the way it should be until -1, looking for an amigo, visited the monster Squire route. I can't even tell you how complex things became then. Eventually the monsters simply became known as functions, and over the mega millennia ended up living in people's imaginations.